welcome to Mad Scientist. My name is Lizzie.
And my name is Noah.
And today we are testing to see if you can grow birdseed into a plant. So, all the stuff is over here.
Birdseed that we're going to be using today.
We also have some dirt. You need a cup?
Yes, we do.
What's the cup for?
Put the birdseed in.
Oh, this is a pot. It says Crayola on it. I made this.
She didn't make it,
and it's
painted it.
Yeah, I painted it. Because I don't have any other pots we can use. So, I forgot a plate. You want to keep talking and I'm going to go grab a plate. The cup. I'm coming.
And she is coming.
Plate.
So we have now got to put some dirt in. Use this with now.
Yep. My mom obviously made this. Oh.
Which one should we plant? A big seed or a little seed? Actually, no, let's take the big seed, pour it and put it in a towel.
That looks pretty good. A little messy, but that's okay.
I will put the seed in.
On top? Just like.
No, then you put more dirt on it.
Oh, I didn't know that there's.
Okay, then we'll put it in.
Like so. We have no idea what we're doing.
Yeah, we don't.
Okay. Next thing I'm going to do,
Don't
bring you over to the, or I'll bring the hose to you. That sounds better.
Okay.
This is where we keep our hose.
Paper towel, paper.
Kind of.
Yeah, we have to get the camera.
And
We have no clue. This is not wet.
no, look, the water's all underneath. So we just
Oh, so that's why.
you stick your finger in there far enough.
Okay, yes, okay. Why did we put hot water in here? Okay, we're good. What's the seed? So it's on top. Okay, we're good. Her finger was now covered in dirt.
Yep. That's okay. If you don't get dirty, you didn't have fun, right? Don't tell your parents I said that. I'm not your excuse. This isn't the seed, is it?
Actually, I think it is. Put it
Okay,
back
let's
in.
put the seed there. Okay. The next step. We're gonna get the paper towel wet. Set a seed in there.
Normally you're able to see it.
Yes. That is the seed. Hopefully you can see that. Then I can't close this with. Will you put your finger right in the middle? Perfect. Thank you.
No, don't even put.
Did it just fall out?
Yeah. Oh, here it is. Oh, it's not. Now, do we fold it? We need to normally what you do is you put this in a cup and you put it in it and then you put the seed in.
That's what you need a cup. Okay.
Okay, so we need a cup now.
I'll be back.
And
I think the seed fell out again.
Found it. Oh, yeah, so this broke it. Okay, good. She is now going to get a cup.
Got a cup.
Here she comes. She has a cup. I'm so.
See, this is Lego Ninjago.
Oh my gosh! How much water did you put in there?
Oh, it's coming out the bottom. Shoot.
I think the seed probably fell out.
We'll see. Okay.
We might have to redo this sometime.
Yes.
And I thought we were using it flask up so we could see in it.
I will be back.
She will be
Okay.
back.
Okay. I have a glass jar.
Alright. She's back.
I thought that you were gonna say. I thought that we were using a cup because we like cups more than jars, which is not true. How do you do this?
I am not an expert at this.
None of us are. We should have watched a YouTube video before doing this. That's what you're doing, so you guys are smart. And you know it's only our legs in the picture, right?
Should I only get some water? Want some more water?
Okay. We could just seriously pick this up.
Don't worry, I put another seed in there. It's gonna get all dirty. How about okay,
let's
after this, we are just gonna take a watering can to this.
Yeah. It will probably be my bedroom. I'll get to take pictures of it every few days. Noah won't get to see it. See if I can. This is not how you use a hose.
That's not how you use a hose, buddy.
Okay, we watered it. Not sure how much water came out of the hose, but that's okay.
It's already growing.
Or you just take a blade of grass from my lawn. Put the grass back, Noah.
How would I do that? Do I need some super glue?
Oh, I have some inside.
You look like a good in.
Okay.
We are making a big mess.
Yes, we are. Yes, they should be able to. They can at least see me, which is all that matters. Just kidding.
Yeah.
Is my head chopped off?
No.
Okay. Just making sure. I've done that before. Get all the way down with the video and then go to watch and realize that my head wasn't in it. Okay. I think we're done.
Like and subscribe to our video.
About our challenge.
Oh yeah.
If we
hit like 30 likes, we like
30 subscribers.
30 subscribers. I mean, sorry.
30 subscribers. Noah, maybe me. Mostly Noah will do something crazy.
Like pour a bucket of mud on your head.
Or slime. Or
like do something
ice
crazy.
water. Yeah.
Ice water I'd really want to do.
Ice water would feel nice today. Because it's so hot. But then again in December, we could just throw some snow at you and call it good. Don't worry, we won't do that.
Comment if you want to like have us do a water video.
For instance, in a pool or a slip and slide.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. I always like to pause afterwards. Ooh, close up, wow.
Just please like and subscribe to our videos.
Bye.
I'm cutting this all out.
We'll see.
I don't know what a brightness is.